Hi everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Camila Bermudez, and today I'm going to talk about before and after of Singapore. Well, Singapore was not as beautiful as it is today. The buildings now are more modern and more beautiful. The old Singapore had older buildings than the new Singapore. The Singapore of the past has had dirt street and old cars. The new Singapore has concrete buildings. The streets are more comfortable and longer than before. The buildings in the past were made of wood, and the buildings now are taller and more technological. The Singapore now is more organized. Its structure is more organized. The new Singapore has traffic lights and signage. Singapore had more trees now than before because they have the idea that trees are important for the world. People before used to walk more, now they only use cars. The trade was more active before because the pedestrians were more common and the pollution was lower than now because more people, more pollution. And that's all. Thank you very much.